They will put in $1 zillion behind this machinery to wipe out our rights under the Second Amendment. So what you have to do is call every single congressman, call every single senator, call every single person in your community every day for the next 81 days and tell them if you want your rights protected and if you want to wipe out the deep state in one fell swoop, you, the gun owners of America, have that unique opportunity.
President-elect Donald Trump announced his intent to nominate Kash Patel as FBI director, replacing Christopher Wray, before his term ends in 2027. On Truth Social, Trump praised Patel as an America First advocate and corruption fighter. Wray, appointed by Trump in 2017, fell out of favor after the FBI's 2022 Mar-a-Lago search and subsequent indictment of Trump for classified document retention. Patel, a vocal FBI critic, has called for the agency's Washington, D.C. headquarters to be turned into a deep state museum. His nomination could spark a contentious Senate confirmation battle, reflecting Trump's trend of choosing loyalists for key roles.